Creating a YouTube short video channel is easier than ever now, with the new AI tools that we have today. It's really easy. And if you can have a successful shorts channel, you can easily make some passive income through it. You only need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. If you post long videos, you need 4,000 watch hours, and that's all. So, I have found a new niche, which is not saturated yet. The best thing is you can post both short and long videos for this niche. The audience would love both. Creating videos for this niche is super easy when compared to other niches. In this video, I will show you how to make short videos for this niche. I'm going to make a separate video for long videos. So, let me show you an example video first, and then I will show you how I created that video.
Ever wondered what life is like in North Korea? Here are 3 crazy rules that will blow your mind. First up, haircuts. In North Korea, you can't just choose any hairstyle. The government has a list of approved haircuts, 15 for men and 15 for women. So, if you're planning to rock that mohawk or dye your hair purple, think again. Next, imagine living without the internet. That's right. In North Korea, the internet as we know it is banned. They have their own controlled network, and only a few select people have access to the real World Wide Web. Facebook, Instagram, Google, completely off limits. And finally, did you know there's a ban on sarcasm? Yes, you heard that right. Making sarcastic remarks about the government or its leaders can get you into serious trouble. Even something as simple as rolling your eyes can be considered a crime. Crazy, right? These are just a few of the strict and bizarre rules in North Korea. What do you think about them? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts from around the world.
So, I will call this niche Country Facts Niche. Basically, we are going to talk about different countries around the world, and what are some crazy and amazing things about those countries. First, I will show you how to make a video like this manually, and then I will show you how to use the automation AI. In order to make a video like this, we need a script. We can use ChatGPT for that. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. You can use this same script. Whenever you create a new video, just change the topic of the video. I will leave this script as a comment on this video. And let's generate. As you can see here, we have the script for this video. Now we need to generate voiceovers for this. As usual, we can use 11 Labs for it. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, let's go to 11 Labs and create the voiceovers. You can select a suitable voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated part by part here. So, just like this, create the voiceovers for the whole script. Now we need to generate images for this script. I'm going to go to Leonardo AI and create some images. Let's select this model. I think it would be good for this script. Now you need to read the script part by part and generate images. This process will take several minutes. Make sure those images are in match with the script. After you generate all the images, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit these video. I know that. This process will consume a lot of your time creating scripts, making voiceovers, generating images, and finally editing all of those. Let me show you an easier method to automate all of this process. If you have tried Leonardo AI or Midjourney or any image generating AI tool, it's really hard to create images for specific scripts. Images will not come out exactly as we wanted, but this AI tool has the amazing ability to generate images exactly as we wanted. That's why I love this AI. This AI tool is called Smart Short CO. Let me show you how you can use this AI to automate your video creation process. First, go to smartshort.co. I have provided the link in the description. Use that link and use this code to get 20% discount. Now, as you can see here, this AI tool has the ability to generate 100% unique videos each time. You can create videos related to any niche or topic using this AI tool. You don't have to worry about image generation or editing. They will do everything for you. You can either use your own script or this AI tool has the ability to create the scripts. So, let's try this. As you can see here, you can create videos in different languages using this AI. There are around 16 languages available. So, if you are going to target any specific country, you can change the language. In this case, I'm going to go with English. Now, they have given these specific niches such as scary stories, motivation, and more niches. If you are doing a channel related to these niches, you can select any of those from here, or you can enter your prompt here and this AI will create the video. In this case, I'm going to try the script we generated before. So, let's select this option. Now click New Project. Now, you will come to this page. This is where all the magic happens. Let's copy the script we generated previously here, then click this next button. Now, you need to select an AI voice for this. This AI tool provides you with more than 50 AI voices. All AI voices are ultra-realistic. The crazy thing is that you can access to any AI voice from 11 labs through this. Unlike the other AI tools, this one has the best AI voices so far. So make sure to select a matching voice for your niche. I'm going to select this voice, which is called Josh. Then click the next button again. Now this part is very important, as you can see here. This says one footage for every 2.5 seconds, which means they will put one image per every 2.5 seconds. You can either increase this duration or decrease it. For this video, I will set it like this: one footage for every 2 seconds. Okay, using these options, you can edit the video. If you want to add smooth transitions, activate this one. If you want to add different sound effects, activate this one. This third option is very important. When we use AI voices for a script, it automatically contains silent parts, which are not good for your video. Normally, we remove those silence part from the audio when editing. If you activate this, it will automatically remove those silent parts from the audio. The last option is also good. By enabling this one, you are allowing this AI tool to add simple animations to your video. I would recommend you to activate all these four. It will increase the quality of your video. Then click Generate. Within few seconds, this AI will create the video. Now, this video has been generated. Let's see it.
Wondered what life is like in North Korea? Here are 3 crazy rules that will blow your mind. First up, haircuts. In North Korea, you can't just choose any hairstyle. The government has a list of approved haircuts, 15 for men and 15 for women. So, if you're planning to rock that mohawk or dye your hair purple,
this is perfect. I'm so much impressed with the image generation process. They have even added different emojis to the caption. This is great. Now, let's say you don't like this style or colors. You can edit those using the side menu. You can change the text colors and placements, and you can add new emojis as well. If you go to this style, you will be able to replace this caption with these pre-made templates. I mean, there are some amazing caption styles available here. Now, you can edit the motions and advanced settings from these edits. And let's say you want to add more images that you created separately. You can easily add those to this video. You just need to upload those to here. After editing all the things you want, you can simply download this video without any issues or watermarks. It's really that simple. This AI tool has 3 packages. The first one is for $19 a month, which includes 20 short videos a month. The second one is for $39 a month. It has 50 videos, and the Pro Edition is $68 a month. It has 100 short videos a month. You can easily run at least 5 short channels from that package. All of these packages give access to all the features, including premium AI voices and animation. So, if you are interested, use the link in the description and use this code. It will give you a 20% discount. I hope you will start this niche and become an owner of successful YouTube channel in the next few months. I will see you guys in the next video.